In this video, I'm going to show you how to show Spotify on Discord. So if you want to play one of your Spotify songs and be able to show that on your Discord activity, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now first go and load up the Discord app and then click on user settings in the bottom left hand side. Now over in this left hand navigation, we need to click on connections. Now go and select Spotify from the list, and that's going to take you over to the Spotify login page. You'll now simply need to go and sign in with your Spotify account. Once you're signed into your account, it's going to connect Spotify with your Discord. You can then head back over to your Discord app. As you can see, the connection is now active. All we need to do is make sure display on profile is turned on like this. Also make sure display Spotify as your status is turned on. You could then close out of this window. You could then start playing a song in Spotify, and then you can head back over to Discord. If you click on your profile icon in the bottom left hand side, you should see your Spotify status. Now if it's not working, go and click on user settings in the bottom left hand side, scroll all the way down to registered games and click on this, click on the add it button, click on the drop down arrow and select Spotify from the list. You can then press add game. Once you've done this, you should see Spotify here and you can go and close out of this window. You could then click on your profile icon once again and you should now be able to see Spotify. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.